Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So, welcome to the class of English. Our today's topic is comparative adjectives. What are comparative adjectives? When we compare the things with the other thing, that is called comparative adjective. And we use the first form of the adjective where we are talking about one object, but we use the second form of the adjective when we are talking about two things, that is when we are comparing the two things, and when we are comparing more than two things we use the third form of the adjective like small, smaller, smallest. Now look at into page number 66, the first point which is given, that in case of some adjectives we simply add er or est to them to get the comparative forms. Now what we add er or est. For example, big, bigger, biggest, cold, colder, coldest, fast, faster, fastest. So what we are adding er and est. Now turn to page number 67. Second point says if the adjective ends in y, then y is changed to ier or iest. Now look at into example for more clarity. Busy, busier, busiest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Third point says if the adjective ends in e, you need to add r or st. For example, sure, surer, surest. Brave, braver, bravest. Why we are adding r and st? Because it is ending with e. The adjective is ending with e. Sometimes when adding er or est, you have to double the last letter of the adjective. For example, hot, hotter, hottest. You are adding double T. Fat, fatter, fattest. Fourth point says in case of some adjectives we have to use completely different words as the comparative forms. For example, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, many, more, most, late, later, latest, little, less, least. Right? Now in this exercise number C, what you have to do, you have to write the three forms of the adjectives. For example, the first one has been done, bright, brighter, brightest. Likewise, you have to complete this exercise. I'll give you one example, like in second you have to do large, larger, largest. In the sixth one, near, nearer, nearest. Likewise, complete this exercise which is given on 67, C exercise. Now in D exercise, you have to write the correct form of the adjective. Turn to page number 68. Look at into example number 2. The mango is one of the dash fruits. So what you can say, it is the sweetest fruits. Why? Because the is given and we can use the third form of the adjective. So likewise, complete this exercise number D. So your homework is complete exercise C and D given on page number 66 and 67, and I'll be sharing the document with you all. I hope you have understood the topic comparative adjectives. Thank you.